What if the next pocket-sized camera could actually replace your vlogging setup? That's exactly what people are saying about the DJI Osmo Pocket 4. Leaks are starting to surface, and if they're true, DJI might be getting ready to shake things up again. We're talking about a bigger sensor, smoother slow motion, better battery life, and possibly even a pro version this time. None of this is officially confirmed yet, but the rumors are exciting enough that creators everywhere are paying attention. So let's break down everything we know so far about the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 and why it could be DJI's biggest pocket camera upgrade yet. Now, the biggest upgrade everyone's talking about is the sensor. According to leaks, the Osmo Pocket 4 could come with a 1-inch CMOS sensor, which would be a major deal for a camera this small. If you've used the Pocket 3, you already know how good it looks. A 1-inch sensor would mean better low-light performance, cleaner footage at night, and more natural background blur. Basically, more cinematic shots without needing a bigger camera. Video specs also look spicy. Leaks suggest 4K recording at up to 120 frames per second. That's huge for slow motion lovers, especially vloggers and content creators who want buttery smooth shots without switching to an action camera or mirrorless setup. This could put the Pocket 4 way ahead of most compact cameras in its class. Battery life is another area in which DJI seems to be improving. FCC filings reportedly point to a battery around 1,545 mAh, which is roughly a 20% bump over the Pocket 3. In real-world terms, that could mean longer vlogging sessions, fewer charging breaks, and less anxiety when you're filming on the go. Design-wise, don't expect anything crazy. Most leaks say DJI is sticking with the familiar pocket-sized gimbal design, including the rotating touchscreen we already know. And honestly, that's not a bad thing. The Osmo Pocket design already works really well, small, discreet, and easy to use with one hand. Now here's where things get really interesting. There are rumors of two versions, a standard Osmo Pocket 4 and a possible Osmo Pocket 4 Pro. The Pro version is rumored to feature a dual camera setup. That could mean an additional lens for different focal lengths, better depth information, or even more creative shooting options. If this turns out to be real, DJI would be clearly targeting more advanced creators, not just casual vloggers. DJI also seems to be leaning hard into creator-friendly features. Retail box leaks suggest a creator combo at launch, which could include accessories like a wireless mic, mini tripod, or extended battery grip. DJI knows its audience, and creators love ready-to-go bundles. As for the launch timing, leaks point to an early 2026 release, possibly between March and April. Some rumors say the camera was originally planned for late 2025, but got delayed due to quality control issues with accessories. The standard version may launch first, with the Pro version arriving later in 2026. There are also whispers about smaller upgrades, things like improved physical controls, smarter button placement, and maybe even enhanced vertical shooting features for TikTok and Shorts creators. Some leaks mentioned advanced exposure control or variable aperture, but those are still very speculative at this point. Of course, there are still big question marks. We don't know the price, and that's going to matter a lot. If DJI prices it too close to mirrorless cameras, people might hesitate. But if they keep it competitive, the Pocket 4 could dominate the compact creator camera space. So what's the overall vibe here? If these leaks are accurate, the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 looks like a serious upgrade, not just a refresh. Bigger sensor, faster frame rates, better battery life, and possibly even a Pro version this time. That's a strong lineup. Now, the real question is, will DJI deliver all this at launch? We'll have to wait for the official announcement to know for sure.